Too many marinara jars look interchangeable. Start with Rao's Homemade for balanced versatility. Switch only when your main cooking job needs something more specialized. Choose by cooking job, texture, availability, and cost. For everyday cooking, buy Rao's Homemade Marinara Pasta Sauce. It balances tomato, garlic, basil, and olive oil, making it useful beyond pasta. Reach for it with bread, mozzarella sticks, calzones, or layered baked dishes. The thick, plush texture also gives recipes substantial body. The catch is that this versatility isn't especially distinctive, and the texture may feel heavy. Skip it if you want sweeter flavor, sharper dipping contrast, or the lowest shelf price. For pasta-centered dinners, choose Carbone Marinara Sauce. Its mildly sweet character, glossy finish, and substantial body suit spaghetti, rigatoni, fusilli, and other shapes needing generous coverage. It turns a simple bowl of noodles into the main event without requiring a complicated recipe. But you'll pay more than with value-focused jars, and that gentle sweetness isn't ideal everywhere. Skip it if marinara mostly means dipping, or if economy matters more than noodle-coating richness. For rich food dipping, go with Hoboken Farms Marinara. Its lively, tart tomato flavor cuts through mozzarella sticks, garlic bread, and baked snacks without becoming aggressively sharp. That contrast makes it more purposeful than an all-around pantry jar. The trade-off is a tangier profile that can seem restrained on pasta if you prefer deeper seasoning. It's also relatively expensive and may involve online multi-jar ordering. Skip it if you want easy local availability or softer sweetness. For rustic tomato character, pick Mutti Marinara Sauce. The olive oil presence and visible herbs suit simple pasta, bread, or tomato-led meals where the sauce should command attention. It has enough personality to anchor an uncomplicated dish. But that richness can fight creamy or especially heavy ingredients, and the oregano note won't suit everyone. You may also want basil or chili for extra lift. Skip it if you need predictable availability, consistent online pricing, or a sauce that quietly blends in. For an affordable pantry staple, choose Mezzetta Family Recipes Marinara Sauce. Its familiar tomato-led flavor and San Marzano tomatoes work across pasta, bread, and cheese-heavy meals. The easier repeat purchase cost makes sense when marinara disappears quickly in your kitchen. The compromise is body. This sauce runs looser, so it won't grip noodles or stay on a dipper like thicker choices. Skip it if dense coverage matters more than pantry value. Quick split. Rao's for everyday range, Carbone for coated pasta, Hoboken Farms for dipping, Mutti for rustic flavor, and Mezzetta for budget stocking. Before buying, decide whether you're coating, dipping, or layering. Then check texture preferences, local availability, storage space, and whether premium jars fit repeat purchases. If you're unsure, start with Rao's Homemade for the widest, everyday range. Switch for sweeter pasta coating, brighter dipping, rustic character, or a lower pantry cost. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.